Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and a quick chicken recipe. I have a 2-pound chicken breast. I'm going to cut them into small pieces. I have taken 1 onion, I cut into long thin slices, and 1 onion I'm going to make a smooth paste along with 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, half cup tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons olive oil. All the spices will be 1 teaspoon each. Cumin powder, garam masala, cilantro, cumin seed, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Chicken breast is washed and we're going to make this big size pieces. This is a boneless chicken and I'm using chicken breast. You can use any meat. So this is perfectly fine, these small pieces, and I'm going to cut all chicken breasts the same way. 1 tablespoon minced garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger. I'll bring onion, I cut it into small pieces and we're going to grind it. It doesn't take that long, it's all done. And that's how the paste is going to look. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed. We're going to give like 20 seconds. I'll bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook these onions for 2 minutes. Our onion looks after 2 minutes of cooking. Now I'm going to bring the paste. Mix it well. The gravy texture is going to look really nice. So we're going to cook our onion, ginger, garlic until it's nicely cooked. Cooking for 5 minutes. The onion is nicely transparent. Now I'm going to bring half cup tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cooking for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. Coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt, and we're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook for half a minute. Cooking our spices along with tadka for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring chicken. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on high gas, we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on high gas for 5 minutes, this is all our chicken loaf. I'm going to bring 2 cups water. You can add more water or less according to your needs. If you need running gravy, add more. If you need thick gravy, then 2 cups is perfectly fine. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to bring gas to medium low, which is number 3. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to start the fan and I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. We're going to cover with the lid again. We're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Another 5 minutes, altogether 10 minutes. I'll start the fan. We're going to stir it again. It's looking so good. After mixing it, I'm going to put the lid back again and we'll cook additional 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking, altogether cooking our chicken on a medium-low gas for 15 minutes. I will open it, mix it, and it's so delicious. It's all done. Now I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon cilantro, mix it well. This is strictly optional, kasuri methi. I'm going to bring 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. I'm going to bring the gas to low, which is simmer, and we're going to let the chicken simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will dish out. Another 10 minutes on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. I'll open the lid. They're looking so delicious. I'll mix it. Wow, look at this. is so delicious. This is the consistency what I was looking for. The curry. It gives a nice texture, and this is perfect with the rice pulao. And I have my serving bowl ready, and I will dish out. Chicken with onion curry, tasty, deliciously looking. It's all done. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. And you can serve this one with the roti, chapati, naan, pulka, tutia, bread, and best of all, with rice pulao. And please try and please let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you. I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.